Have you ever been in a rush to leave the house and suddenly your garage door won't open? Jared from Empire Garage Doors and Gates is here today to talk about battery backup. So thanks for sharing this information. Unfortunately, it actually is a law that's been passed that starts out of tragedy. Why don't you tell me about that?
So in 2017, the wildfires that devastated Northern California prompted the state of California to implement a new law with garage doors. There had been several tragedies where homeowners weren't able to exit their garages during the wildfires because they had no power. And they were unable to actually unlatch the garage door by the manual release. So California has made it mandatory that all new garage door openers and garage doors have a battery backup system implemented.
So it's really going to be a safety issue. We have an example here on the table. Obviously it's not plugged into a door, so we won't see a door go up or down, but can you kind of point out where the battery is and how it's going to be working?
Absolutely. So you notice it's not plugged in. This is the battery that is featured, and it's really nice. It pushes inside here, and you can it covers up with the cover plate. But as you notice, you hit the wall control, the operator is running, and you have all the safety features, minus the lights that will open and close the garage door and allow them to exit the property.
Of course, without any electricity, so if the wildfires ever happen again, or any other instance where you may be stuck in the garage, this is a safety feature you're going to be able to get out without any kind of manual exertion to have to open that door yourself.
Absolutely.
So what can Empire Garage help us with? You can do these replacements or repairs?
Absolutely. So if a garage door is replaced in the state of California, the motor has to be compliant. So it basically has to have the battery backup built into it. But Empire also can come out and repair your existing garage door opener. It doesn't have to have battery backup, but it does need to be able to function properly.
Of course, we always want it to function properly, and if it is time to upgrade or you're worried about not having a battery backup feature, you guys can come in and do that upgrade to make us compliant, and then of course we can choose to live with our existing garage door if that's the case as well, right?
Absolutely.
So then when you're ready to upgrade, you want to give Empire a call. Make sure you never get stuck in the garage again by using a battery backup for your garage door. Call Empire today at 619-354-1480, or you can find them at ApprovedHomePros.com.